Today I figured I'd give y'all a treat. We like eating this around Christmas and Thanksgiving, but it's good any time of year. But we're gonna make us some boiled cabbage and without the rooster interruption, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Alright, now the core's out of it. We'll flip them over. We're just gonna slice this up pretty big. You don't want them tiny. Got a cabbage cut up. Now we're gonna cut up white onion. Y'all, now we're gonna cut up a sausage. We're gonna get this smoking and cooking. We're gonna get this cooking in those Dutch oven over here on the fire. Alright, y'all, this is the first step. Take our old lid off here. Now we're gonna add that bacon. Alright, y'all, we got a bacon frying up. Get that grease rendering down. We're gonna put a whole head of garlic in there. 2 or 3 cloves, the whole thing. Bacon rendering down. We got our garlic in there. An onion in there. Chocolate candy cane peppers. I'm gonna add them in there. We're gonna give it a stir. We're gonna add just a little bit of this chupacabra seasoning. Now we're gonna add a little of this Dano's chipotle seasoning. Oh yeah. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take all this smoked sausage and bacon, onions, and garlic. I'll take them out of the pan. Sausage out of a pot. We got that bacon grease down in the bottom. We're gonna add in celery. Let that render down a minute. All Alright, y'all, I'm pretty sure this old celery's steamed down. Oh, yeah. Nice and soft. Now it's time to add cabbage. We're going to add a cabbage in there. Ain't that pretty? Now we're going to get a little of this bacon grease. Spread it all on this cabbage. Get it all nice and coated. Now we're going to put this lid back on it for a few more minutes. Alright, y'all, let's take a gander. Now our cabbage is almost completely rendered down. There's still some crunch in it. That's perfect. Now we can go ahead and add our sausage and our onions and peppers and bacon back into it. On our fancy dining trays. We ain't here to impress nobody. Then we got some mushrooms here. We're gonna add them in there. Alright, y'all, we're gonna hit it with this chipotle seasoning on Danos. Just give it a little bit of spice. Peppers and celery salt. All them goodies in there. Mix that around. Cabbage is done. We're gonna get us a big bowl of this. And that's there, y'all. That's how you cook cabbage. See you in the next one. Thank you.